Hi, my name is Stefan Steyn. I'm a business rescue practitioner. I'm a registered accountant with South African Institute of Professional Accountants. I'm also a member of TMA SA with 10 years experience in the turnaround industry. I have been involved in many turnarounds in the last couple of years, and have found that I have some skills that I'd like to offer the small and medium-sized companies of this country, where I feel that a lot of economic value can be derived from saving companies that shouldn't be liquidated or going insolvent in any respect. If you're a member of the public and you are wondering how to assess yourself regarding business rescue, if this is the route that you would want to take, ourselves at Business Rescue Partner at www.businessrescuepartner.co.za is willing to help. You can log in and do a self-assessment. This normally gives an indication to ourselves at Business Rescue Partner which is the best route to take for yourself with regards to costs, to minimize costs, and also to maximize the possibility of being successful. We at Business Rescue Partner would advise you regarding the business model and also your situation regarding creditors and institutions, SARS and the banks and so forth. We feel that this is a process that is fairly easy to follow, and once you've completed the process, your Business Rescue Partner would be able to contact you. This is the definition in the Companies Act regarding a description of financially distressed. In reference to a particular company at any particular time, it appears to be reasonably unlikely that the company will be able to pay all of its debts as they become due and payable within the immediately ensuing 6 months. Or it appears to be reasonably likely that the company will become insolvent within the immediately ensuing 6 months.
Hi, I'm Tim Stokes. I'm an attorney of the High Court. I practice at Stokes Attorneys. I'm the legal manager at Business Rescue Partner. There are two ways to commence business rescue proceedings in terms of Chapter 6 of the new Companies Act. The first way is by way of Section 129. This is when the company itself will take a resolution to commence business rescue proceedings, and this resolution is filed with the CIPC, formerly known as CIPRO. And the second option is in terms of Section 131. This is where an affected person, such as an employee, shareholder or creditor, applies to court to force the company to go into business rescue proceedings. At this point in time, the best procedure to follow is Section 129. Because Section 131, where an affected party applies to court, does not necessarily work so well at this stage. From what we have gathered from the case law, the affected party applying to court has to really know what he's talking about. The affected party must come with a proper, sincere plan to court so that the judge can award the order that is sought. In terms of Section 147, within 10 business days after being appointed, the business rescue practitioner must convene, preside over a first meeting of creditors. At this meeting, the practitioner must inform the creditors whether the practitioner believes that there is a reasonable prospect of rescuing the company, and he may receive proof of claims by the creditors. At this meeting, it is very important that some sort of plan is already in place. This will go a long way to easing the creditors and proving to them that there is a reasonable prospect of success.
Ourselves at Business Rescue Partner, with the experience that we've gained from the debt counselling industry, have realized that the administrative burden on the administrators is very tough. We then developed, with developers locally in South Africa, the process whereby the business rescue practice would be running to enable the administration to be much less. This enables the business rescue practitioner to concentrate on his skills, and that is saving the company, not on all the administration tasks that are required from him according to Chapter 6 of the Companies Act. This enables the business rescue practitioner to evaluate, assess, create the plans, communicate all necessary correspondence to and notices to all parties. The first part is the initial assessment. Many clients would be coming to to Business Rescue Partner or to the software that you've been using, and you would not be able to save them. A self-assessment program enables you to give feedback regarding the possibility of saving them. The high-risk clients are then separated from the low-risk clients. The second part of the initial assessment is accepting the client. In this process, the evaluation has taken one step further with regards to financial information that you've gathered and so forth. You have already had certain communication with the client, being the board of directors, and in this process you would gather certain information regarding the debt. The debt is a very important aspect, as there is a preparation for a creditors meeting that needs to take place, and in this process you would like to be able to present as much information as possible. Once you've got the information that has been given to you via the web, it is very important to note that up to now your access and your interviews with the client have been taken down to a minimal, therefore saving you time to start working on your business model case. In this scenario, we use an Excel template that we have built regarding our experience in the business rescue industry, whereby this assessment is done with the client. This enables you to understand the possibility of saving the client and what is the best route to follow. Once the assessment has been done, the planning of the creditors meeting is very important. A creditor does not want to attend a meeting whereby he does not know or does not feel comfortable with the possible outcome. It is a very sensitive scenario, so the business rescue practitioner must prepare well, and therefore for him to have a case whereby certain scenarios could be presented, the creditors would feel more at ease, making it a bigger possibility of you being successful in your meeting. In drafting the business plan, one needs to understand that what the Act requires is not always what the financial institutions require. It is set out very differently, and although it's been called the business plan or the rescue plan, it has certain elements that don't normally feature in a normal business plan. The software enables you to do this via a web-based, whereby the client helps you to gather information to enable to save you time, and also to help you concentrate on the strategic objectives that need to be achieved for the business plan to be successful. This is very important, as there may be in future people who contest the business plan or the business rescue practitioner. The document that you have created, called the rescue plan, is basically your framework as to which you would be able to defend yourself and also your business case. It's important that a lot of thought is put into this, and therefore it is also important to feel comfortable with what you're trying to achieve. In the post-monitoring stage, it's important to note that if you have gone into a scenario where you had to raise post-commencement funding, which is very important for your client in many respects, as the business is cash-strapped. The business is in cash-strapped for many reasons, but if there is a business case regarding new money that's coming in, you would also have a responsibility of reporting any progress on the use of these funds on a monthly basis. The post-commencement reporting enables you to send out to all the creditors and the institutions and everyone involved in the rescue on a month-by-month via automatic emailing the scenario and the progress of the business. If you would like to have more details regarding business rescue and your business, and also the possibility of you being a business rescue partner, please feel free to contact us. Our contact details can be taken from our website, and we look forward to doing business with you.